Welcome. If you want to stop manually approving tags on Instagram and let all tags appear automatically on your profile, you're in the right place. With Instagram's latest update, managing your tagging preferences on PC has become even easier. Here's a simple, step-by-step guide to help you disable the manually approve tags feature. First, open the Instagram app on your computer. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access all the settings. Look to the left side of your Instagram homepage. You'll see the More icon. It usually looks like 3 horizontal lines stacked together. Click on this icon to open up a menu with additional options. From the menu, select Settings. This will take you to a new page where you can adjust various aspects of your Instagram experience. In the Settings menu, find and click on Tags and Mentions. This section is dedicated to how you manage tags and who can mention you on the platform. Once you're in the Tags and Mentions section, look for the option called Manually Approve Tags. Click on it to view your current settings. If manual approval is enabled, you'll see a toggle switch next to Tag Options. To disable this feature, simply click the toggle switch so it turns off. This action will immediately stop the requirement for you to manually approve tags. Now, anytime someone tags you in a post, it will automatically appear on your profile without needing your approval. By disabling manually approved tags, you're streamlining your Instagram experience. All relevant posts where you're tagged will show up directly on your profile, making your presence more dynamic and interactive. And that's it. You've successfully turned off manually approved tags on Instagram using your PC. Enjoy a more seamless tagging experience and spend less time managing approvals. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to check out more tips to make the most of your Instagram account. Thanks for watching, and happy Instagramming.